Welcome in Education Success. In this video, we will discuss Computer Graphics MCQs on Clipping chapter. First question is the selection and separation of a part of text or image for further operation are called translation, shear, reflection, clipping. The answer is clipping because clipping is a process of extracting a portion of text or image part of a scene or picture inside or outside a specified region. In the clipping, we are extracting the part which is outside the region. We are deciding the region, that region is called as the clipping window. Whatever the part outside the clipping window, we are extracting it, we are deleting it, and whatever the portion inside the window, we are save it. So clipping is extracting a portion which is outside the given region. Next question is the complex graphics operations are selection, separation, clipping, none of these. It is very simple question. A complex graphics operation is here clipping. So correct answer is clipping. Next question is which approaches are used for determine whether a particular point is inside or outside of a polygon. The options are even odd test, windowing, number method, both A and B, none of these. The correct answer is both A and B because here these two even odd and winding numbers methods are the two approaches that we are used for to decide whether the particular point is inside or outside a polygon. Next question is the process of mapping a world window in world coordinate system to viewport are called transformation viewing, viewport, clipping window, screen coordinate system. It is very straightforward question. It is the definition of transformation viewing, that is the process of mapping a world window into the system viewport window. The next question is the process of extracting a portion of a database or a picture inside or outside specified region are called translation, shear, reflection, clipping. It is again a simple question as it is on the definition of clipping. Clipping is a process of extracting the portion which is outside the window. Here we are identifying which portion is inside or outside the region of the window. The next question is the rectangular portion of the interface window that defines whether the image will actually appear are called transformation viewing, viewport, clipping window, screen coordinate system. The correct answer is here viewport because a world coordinate area selected for display is called as the window, but an area on a display device to which a window is mapped, that is called as the viewport. The next question is the space in which the image is displayed are called screen coordinate system, clipping window, world coordinate system, none of these. The answer is screen coordinate system because the screen coordinate system is nothing but the area in which we want to display the picture. So this is the screen coordinate system. To get the notification of upcoming videos on computer graphics and other subjects, kindly subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Don't forget to comment about the videos. The next question is rectangular space in which the world definition of region is displayed are called screen coordinate system, clipping window or world coordinate system, none of these. It is very simple question. The answer is clipping window or world window. It is nothing but the rectangular area in which the world definition of region is displayed. The next question is the object space in which the application model is defined. Options are screen coordinate system, clipping window or world coordinate system, none of these. The correct answer is world coordinate system. It is the object space where the application model is defined. The next question is the process of cutting of the line which are outside the window are called shear, reflection, clipping window. Again, it is a simple question as we have already discussed the definition of clipping. Clipping is the process of to cut off the line, to cut off the part of picture which is outside the window. So clipping is the process of extracting a portion of text or image part of or a scene or a picture which is inside or outside a specified region. So the correct answer is here clipping. Next question is some common form of clipping include curve clipping, point clipping, polygon clipping, all of these. The correct answer is all of these because these are the some types of clipping, or we can say it is a common form of clipping. Some common form of the clippings contain point clipping, line clipping, text clipping, curve clipping, polygon clipping. Thank you.